My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake alerts that come from the site xjke.xyz. These pop-ups are presented as some sort of recommended extension. Some people might think that they need to install such extensions into Google Chrome, but it's a mistake to do that. In case the extension gets installed, the browser settings may be hijacked through such extensions. These extensions may also operate as adware by showing ads not related to the sites that people visit, and often such extensions may also operate as browser hijackers. Typically, they may change the default homepage, the default search engine, and other settings. So we recommend you to be very careful not to tolerate these extensions and not to install anything that they promote. And in case any third-party extensions were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, you should definitely implement some urgent fixes. Access the menu More Tools, Extensions. Then you need to disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the software and begin researching your system to detect and delete all other threats which could still possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.